How to see incognito history on Google Chrome on Android. So in order to see incognito history on Google Chrome, you just have to open the Chrome browser on your Android device, and then I'm sure that you know how to enable incognito mode on Google Chrome. Just tap on the three dots at the top right corner, and then on this drop down menu box you can select new incognito tab. And once you open the incognito tab, you need to search for Chrome semicolon slash slash chrome dash url slash and open it. Once you open, you will see this kind of interface where you can see the list of Chrome URLs. So you need to locate Chrome history. Here underneath the Chrome histogram, I can see Chrome history. Simply you need to tap and hold and open it. As you can see here, that since sites you visited are not saved in incognito, so we are not able to find out the history. Let's open the new tab and try finding it again. And as you can see that we have already found all the history on Google Chrome on our Android. So if you wish to delete it, you can also tap on this cross icon and easily delete it as well. If you wish to clear all the history, you can select clear browsing history at the top, and you can tap on clear data, and we will successfully clear the history on Google Chrome as well. So this is how we see incognito history on Google Chrome on Android and delete it as well. I hope it worked for you. If it worked, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new to our channel, then subscribe it and hit the notification bell for more updates.